Crude oil started the week on a flat note here, while it is natural gas which has given a massive gap down and it is now trading at 3.5 levels. What to expect now from crude oil and net gas today? Way to enter, way to exit, how to profit. We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Do not miss to watch that, though the US markets are closed today. But yes, as usual, I will be releasing the second update before the US session timings. So this is the only channel to give you two updates a day. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first with crude oil, followed with net gas. Watch oil on the hourly charts. You can clearly see it has formed a very strong support here now at 77.2, 77.5 zone, and see the resistance at 78 is also very clear. I have mentioned several times 77.8, 78 zone, which was earlier the resistance as well. Now this is proving out to be resistance again. I will wait for it to break out beyond 78, and then also if you connect the dots, see lower highs and lower lows are seen. So yes, a breakout beyond 78 will be signs of reversal. You can wait for 78.4, 78.6, and then beyond that it will complete or it will initiate the complete reversal process. See, the moving averages right now crossing here over here is also not a good sign for the bulls. Right now it is trading bearish, and thus we have to wait for it to stay above 77.8, 78 zone, which should be a greater resistance. Now on the downside, now see the support levels. It also suggests, it also reflects that there is lot much of resistance here on the downside for oil to break below, and thus once it breaks below this zone at 77.2, 76.8 and 76.4, these three levels are crucial here on the downside, below which only you can confirm the bearishness here. Stochastic has dropped, MACD is trading bearish here, it has hit the bottom, wait for a crossover here. RSI flat here. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour chart, similar is the observations. Look at the swings here, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, now trying to bounce back up again, and thus very crucial, very important for oil to trade above 77.8, 78 zone. Now see the stochastic trying to consolidate here, while the MACD has already hit the bottom. Wait for a crossover here that will confirm the reversal, and the RSI is flat. Coming to 3 hour chart, the observation is more or less same. Good consolidation. It can deliver a breakout. Notice higher lows and higher highs here. We have to wait for a breakout. It's now see it is forming a good flag formation. So once it stays beyond 78.4, 78.6, I can expect that possibly oil might move beyond $80 levels here. Be mindful of this. This time it can breach the critical milestone 80. And if it does so, stay bullish for the rest of the week. In fact, you can expect 82.5, 85 as well. Stochastic at bottom trying to bounce back. MACD trading sharply bearish, looking downwards. RSI comfortable here. Coming to 4 hour. Similar observation here on the 4 hour chart. See good consolidation. Wait for a breakout either which ways. If you notice what's happening, drop, retracement, drop, a good consolidation. It may retrace towards this, which means it is now critical that first it stays above 78 and then 78.5, 78.6 zone. Beyond this, you can expect more bullishness to prevail. Yes, it is trading in this channel here. Let's wait for a breakout either which way. See if it drops below 77.2, 77 zone, and then specifically till 76.4, 76.5, you have to be cautious with the sells here. Stochastic rising from the oversold. MACD trading divergent and bearish. RSI has dropped here. Coming to the daily, the observation is more or less same here on the daily charts. Look at one strong or bearish candle with lower lows, and then see two retracement candles has appeared. Now it is trying to take the support. See higher lows are still seen here. It suggests that the move what it is going to show is going to be another stronger bullish move. So if it stays above 78 and then 78.4, 78.6, I think we are looking forward to $80 levels here. Yes, we are looking forward to 80. In fact, we can see 80.5, 481.5 as well. Be mindful of this. But my only worry point is the divergence which is showing from the 20 period moving average, which is right now sitting at around 75. So any breakout here on the downside below 76.4, 76.5 is a sign that we can expect 76, 75.4 and then 75 levels. The stochastic has dropped. The MACD is in green trying to convert. See, it has seen a stronger rise. It is trying to convert. Wait for a crossover here. The RSI is also coming out of the overbought zone. So indicators are slightly overbought here for Now, before I provide you the trading levels and the strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me on Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions, and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link in the channel and video description. Now, considering this, one thing is very clear that only above 77.8 78 zone is where we are going to initiate a buying position. If you see oil trading above this, just stay bullish for 78.4, 78.6 at the first time. And if that is taken, then 79.2. Beyond 79.2, 79.3, this time I will be waiting for it to move towards 80.2, 80.4, and then 81.5, 81.6 levels should appear. Yes, breaking on the upside, it can deliver a stronger bullish move here. While on the downside, so selling entries are also clear below 77.2 and 77 is where you can expect a selling entry. Then, in fact, if you're selling at 77.2, you have to wait for 76.8 and 76.4 levels to be taken. These are very strong support levels. Only and only if oil trades below 76.4, you can say that the bears are back towards 76, 75.5 and 75 as the three key levels here on the downside. Below 75 is where the correction should start, chances for which appears to be less. Let's move to natural. See, net gas gave a gap down opening here after it has crossed over and it is trading with divergence and bearishness. I can see it is still hesitating to break further. See, after the dip, it is now trying to break out. If you see it is staying above 3.5, you can just initiate a buying entry at 3.5 and expect it to move towards 3.54, 3.55 at the first, and then the gap filling should happen where the price is going to hit 3.6. Stochastic oversold trying to recover. MACD has also hit the bottom. Wait for a crossover here. On the 2 hour charts, the observation is more or less same on the 2 hour charts where it has given a slight gap down opening. Now you can also notice it is just consolidating here, failing to stay below 3.45, trying to show a recovery here. But my only worry point is the crossover in the moving averages. But the second thing is the divergence of the price from the moving average. So it can try to converge. And at any point of time, if net gas breaks beyond 3.7, 3.8, stay bullish. We are looking forward to a trade above $4 levels. Stochastic oversold, MACD trading extremely divergent and bearish. It may start to converge. RSI extremely oversold here. We can see a potential signs of recovery if it stays above 3.5 levels. Same thing is observed here on the 3 hour charts where after the dip it is trying to recover a bit. Moving averages here have not crossed over. Only important thing to observe here is, see, after delivering higher highs, it is now breach this higher lows and it has come out of this channel. So now we have to watch out with caution how it behaves, because see, this is a gap down and we have to now wait for it to confirm bullishness. It has to stay above 3.7, 3.8 levels. Now on the downside also, see, the support levels here are strong towards 3.36. So that is something you should watch out for. Any drop below 3.45 and 3.36 is a clear sign of more bearishness towards 3.2. Stochastic oversold, MACD trading extremely bearish, RSI at bottom already. On the 4 hour, the observation remains the same on the 4 hour charts, just consolidating. Wait for a move beyond 3.5, 3.55 zone, and then you can expect 3.58, 3.6. Moving averages here have started to converge. Notice what I have been sharing this. See, it was trading bullish till here. It was trading bullish till here. It has come out of the bullish channel and now trying to recover again. There is a potential that it can try to fall back within the channel, and that is where the bulls will try to pitch in. So any move beyond 3.7, 3.8 is the only confirmation of reversal. If you look at the stochastic, this is oversold. The MACD trading extremely divergent and bearish, looking downwards. The RSI has dropped as well. On the daily charts, now see on the daily charts what's happening. Notice it is trading below the 20 period. It has left a gap, and see, if you see the movement for net gas, every rise is offset with a drop here, and it is trying to erase the gains. There is a potential that it can move towards 50 period, which was the last support zone, which is the last time it has seen those levels. And thus, if it drops below 3.45, that is the point of time you can take a selling entry. Expect 3.38 level. So 3.45 is the only level below which I will recommend you to sell, and expect 3.4, 3.38 as the first target. Below 3.4, 3.38, you can expect 3.34 as the next. And then if that is also taken, specifically below 3.34 is where the bears will take over, and then you can expect 3.25, chances for which appears to be less. I'm still maintaining the bullish stance for the near future for crude natural gas specifically. And today, if it fills the gap and trades above 3.7, you can just stay bullish here. So Look at the stochastic, this is dropped a bit. The MACD is crossing over for sell. The RSI has dropped. So considering this now, first thing is where to buy. I'll recommend you to buy at 3.5. Expect 3.5455 at the first target zone, 3.6. 3.62 at the second, and if these two levels are taken, stay bullish for 3.7 and 3.8 levels very soon. On the downside, the selling entries are at 3.45, where you can expect it to move towards 3.4 to 3.4 as the first target zone, 3.36, 35 at the second, and then 3.2. If 3.2 is taken, 3.32 is taken, then you can wait for a greater correction towards 3.2425 level, chances for which appears to be less. Take your positions accordingly, take your trades accordingly, like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. See you again before the US session with more updates.